Hey guys, welcome to another unboxing. Today, we not only have one box, we have two boxes. Let's check them out, and don't forget to hit that like button. Alright, so I was thinking, should we go with the large box or the small box? Let's go with the large box. This is something I really wanted for a while, and I can't wait to show it to you guys. Alright, so here it is. It's a 9 LED black light. This glow bar has a 27 watt LED UV bar, and actually is a #1 seller in black light fixtures on Amazon.com. It's got great reviews with over a 4.5 star rating and over 10,264 ratings currently. It's a great bar and it's going to make the room look a lot better. Alright, next up is the small box. Alright guys, so I was actually running a little bit low on my Blue Ice G Fuel. I wanted to switch it up, I wanted to try something new, but I didn't want to take the risk. So I got another tub of the delicious pink drip. This thing tastes like a pink Starburst. The other thing I got was a glow-in-the-dark G Fuel cup. This shaker cup glows in the dark and hopefully will pair well with the black light. Let's see what happens. Alright, paired together. Looks pretty good. I also have these new liquid chalk dry erase markers that I'm gonna actually hang a wall. This way every time I get a follow I can write their name down and it'll actually help glow in the dark. So I did notice that the G Fuel cup once in sunlight gets really bright and glows in the dark. However, it fades fairly quickly, which is a little disappointing. However, still a good outcome. Alright, hope you guys liked the video. That was the unboxing, and stay tuned. Don't forget to follow on Twitch. Take care.